In my effort to improve health and performance, I have discovered that self-quantification tools and approaches are important in this process. 那在我不断的自我的提升健康或者是机能表现的提升的过程当中，我发觉说这些各种不同自我量化的工具对这個過程非常有幫助。So I track all kinds of things, including using things like Oura Ring to track my sleep. 所以我就會去追蹤我不同的數據，包括像用這個 Oura Ring 來測量我睡眠品質。I use things like smart watches like the Garmin to track my sports performance. 那我也用不同的像這種 Garmin 的這種運動手錶來記錄我的運動機能。Of course, part of this process is the metabolic health and other physiological numbers and indications. 那當然在這些數據當中，你的代謝健康跟其他跟生理有相關的這些數據就非常重要。So over the years, I have used devices like the Sculpt to measure body composition. 所以我也甚至用像这種的來測量身體結構的工具。Various ways to track blood glucose, including a continuous glucose monitor. 那用不同的方式來追蹤我的血糖，包括這個連續型血糖儀，blood ketones， 還有血酮 and breath ketones， 氣酮。And this is an older device that also measures breath ketone. 那這個甚至是比較更早比較舊的這種氣酮的測量工具。Even a device like the Lumen that attempts to measure your metabolic state, whether you're burning carb or burning fat. 甚至這個 Lumen 它嘗試着去測量我到底現在是在燃脂還是燃糖。And I'm very excited today that I got a new device, the Fora MD6, that combines 6 measurements in using different test strips in one unit. 那我今天很興奮，因為收到了一個新的玩具，新的工具，這個是福爾旗艦6合1的測試系統，用不同的試紙就可以測量6種的數據。So it includes your BHB, blood ketones, blood glucose, even hemoglobin, uric acid, total cholesterol, and so forth. So 它這個包括內容非常多，包括當然有血酮、血糖，但是也甚至包括尿酸總膽固醇甚至血紅素等。And it's even Bluetooth enabled, so you can have a record on your phone and you can track the trends over time. 那甚至它這個是有藍牙功能，可以跟你的手機連接，把數據傳在手機裡面，然後借着手機分析。So this is the first time I'm seeing this. 這是我第一次開箱看到，其實我還不曉得這是長得什麼樣子。So I'm really looking forward to trying this out and compare it with my, especially with the Precision Xtra numbers, and also breath ketone and Lumen numbers. 那我現在很興奮，因為希望可以再來這幾天做一些比較，看這一台跟我的 Precision Xtra， 甚至我的 Lumen 還有氣筒等等的數據做一些比較。So I'm excited, and I will be sharing the results of the comparison and analysis with you in the coming week. 我現在很興奮，那也希望再來的這一星期測試完畢之後，跟大家分享我的一些經驗跟我的想法。